Sealing Victorian tiles in Penkhull, Staffordshire. The tiles' earth colours looked very faded after cleaning. Modern sealers use polymers to enhance the natural colours of tiles, just as oils will. Modern sealers are safer and easier to use and last much longer. We offer several Victorian tiles sealing options. We applied 2 coats of a high-quality colour-enhancing impregnating sealer. The sealer helps to bring out the original colours of the tiles. The sealer gives you more time to clean up spills and prevent spills from causing damage to the floor. The floor was sealed and given a matte look. The sealer makes it easier to clean the floor. The finish was a huge hit with my client. Abbey Floor Care provides free quotes for Victorian tiles restoration in Penkhull, Stoke-on-Trent.